My name is Keith Hull. Welcome to another NASE Minute. Now, believe it or not, taxes aren't that far away, so you might be thinking about how to do that tax return. Do you need a CPA to complete the tax return? Well, I'm a CPA myself, so I don't want to be disloyal, but I'm here to tell you, you are fully capable of completing that tax return yourself. With the resources that are available today, including the experts at NASE.org, you can answer all the questions, fill out all the forms, and save a few dollars by completing that tax return yourself. Now, you may not have the time to do that, so you certainly should consider using a professional, which is always good advice. Now, in those years, for example, it might be better to choose to use a professional. In years, for example, maybe this is your first year of self-employment, or maybe you're adding a partner or bringing on employees, or maybe you have a specific complicated issue like accelerated depreciation. If you have one of those items, this might be the year to consider using a CPA, an enrolled agent, or other tax professional to help you with the tax return. But again, with the resources that are available, there's no need to have to feel like you need the CPA. So it's okay to save those dollars and do the tax return yourself. Now, if you do choose to do that tax return yourself, remember that the number one mistake that most people make is mathematical, a clerical error. So at least consider using some type of automated software package like TurboTax or TaxCut, or even consider one of the advanced services like H&R Block or Jackson Hewitt. All of those individuals do a great job, and they can kind of meet in the middle of how much a CPA would cost versus doing it for yourself. But remember, you have resources, you have people that can help. Bookmark our website at nase.org, and always remember, you're not alone.